Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Created by a California educator with more than 35 years of English language teaching experience, a love for American culture and democracy, and a passion for American road trips. This podcast helps American English learners as well as prospective visitors and immigrants a window into American language, culture, and travel destinations. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcasts episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast will both educate, enlighten, and entertain you. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, Lesson 4, Ordering Food at a Restaurant. 2. Discover America, the Complete Road Trip and Travel Guide, Arkansas. We hope you'll enjoy today's episode and invite you to subscribe to receive weekly episodes from us. Don't forget to also visit our official website, americanenglish.online, for numerous educational resources to help you on your learning journey. And now, are you ready to improve your knowledge and your skills? Let's begin. And now, here's Section 1, Speak America. Lesson 4. 4. Ordering food at a restaurant. Dining out with ease. Part 1, Dialogue. Server. Welcome. Can I start you off with something to drink? Guest. I'll have a water and an iced tea, please. Server. Sounds great. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes? Guest. I think I'm ready. What do you recommend? Server. The grilled chicken sandwich is really popular. It comes with fries. Guest. That sounds good. Can I substitute the fries for a side salad? Server. Of course. Any dressing preference? Guest. Ranch, please. And can I get the dressing on the side? Part 2. Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article. Navigating American Restaurant Culture. Dining out in America is casual and customer-focused. Servers introduce themselves by name and are expected to be attentive throughout your meal. It's normal to ask questions about the menu, request substitutions, and specify how you want your food cooked, Americans do this regularly. Understanding common menu terms will make ordering easier. Entree in America refers to the main course, not a starter, as it does in France. Appetizer or starter is the first course. To go or takeout means you want your food packaged to eat elsewhere. On the rocks means with ice, for drinks. Customization is a major part of American food culture. Don't hesitate to ask for your burger well done, your coffee with oat milk, or your salad without onions. If you have dietary restrictions or allergies, always inform your server. Saying "I'm allergic to shellfish" is taken seriously and staff are trained to handle it. Tipping your server is not optional in the USA. It is the cultural norm. Servers rely on tips as a significant part of their income. A standard tip is 15 to 20% of the pre-tax total. For exceptional service, 20 to 25% is appreciated. Part 3. Examples and tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. Could I see a menu, please? Or can I get a kid's menu for my daughter? Tip. Always feel free to ask for what you need. Restaurants are used to accommodating all kinds of requests. Example 2. What comes with the steak? Asking about sides. Tip. Many American meals include sides. Ask what's included so you know what to expect on your plate. Example 3. Can I get that without mayo? Or extra cheese, please? Tip. Customizing orders is standard in the USA. Most kitchens can accommodate simple modifications. Example 4. Could we get some more bread, please? During the meal. Tip. Asking for refills, extra napkins, or more bread is completely normal and expected. Example 5. Can I get this wrapped up to go? At the end of the meal. Tip. Doggy bags, takeout boxes, are completely normal. Never feel embarrassed to take your leftovers home. Okay, are you ready for some American travel information? Here's Section 2, Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Arkansas. Chapter 4, Arkansas. The natural state. Capital, Little Rock. Scenic Highway Highlight. Pig Trail Scenic Byway, AR-23. A winding 19-mile mountain road through the Ozarks known for spectacular fall foliage and challenging curves beloved by motorcyclists and cyclists. 1. Hot Springs National Park. About this destination. The only national park located within a city, Hot Springs features naturally heated thermal waters, historic bathhouses on Bathhouse Row, and a charming downtown that has welcomed visitors since the 1800s. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Book a spa treatment at Buckstaff Bathhouse. Buckstaff is the only original bathhouse still offering traditional thermal baths. The experience, hot mineral water soaking and a professional massage, is relaxing, historic, and genuinely therapeutic. Tip 2. Hike the Hot Springs Mountain Trail. This moderate 1.5-mile trail leads to the Hot Springs Mountain Tower, where a small observation fee earns you a 360-degree view of the Ouachita Mountains and the city below. Tip 3. Visit Garvin Woodland Gardens. These 210 acres of botanical gardens on Lake Hamilton are spectacular in spring, azalea blooms, and winter, holiday lights. Entry fees are modest and the scenery is world-class. 2. Bentonville and Crystal Bridges Museum. About this destination. Home to Walmart's headquarters and the extraordinary Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, Bentonville has become an unexpected cultural destination in the Ozark Hills. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Visit Crystal Bridges on a weekday morning. This stunning museum, designed by Moshe Safdie, is free to enter. Some special exhibitions charge. Weekday mornings are least crowded. The art collection spans 500 years of American art. Tip 2. Ride the Bentonville Bike Trails. Bentonville has world-class mountain biking trails through the Ozarks. Rent bikes from several local shops for as little as $30 per day and explore over 100 miles of single track. Tip 3. Eat at the Momentary Food Hall. The Momentary, Crystal Bridges' contemporary sister museum, has an excellent food hall and bar. It's a great spot to refuel after exploring, with local chefs serving creative Arkansas cuisine. 3. Buffalo National River. About this destination. America's first national river flows freely through the Ozarks, offering world-class canoe trips, dramatic bluffs, cave springs, and some of the most pristine wilderness in the South. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Canoe the Upper Buffalo in spring. The Upper Buffalo, above Ponca, is best in spring when water levels are high. Rent canoes or kayaks from local outfitters in Ponca or Jasper and float through stunning limestone bluff country. Tip 2. Visit Hemden Hollow Falls. The tallest waterfall between the Rockies and Appalachians, 209 feet, it requires a 6-mile round-trip hike but rewards you with a towering grotto cascade surrounded by moss-covered rock walls. Tip 3. Camp at Steel Creek. This campground below the 500-foot Big Bluff is one of the most scenic in America. Reserve early. Recreation.gov. Bring your camera, and watch deer graze while bluffs tower above you at dusk. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcasts episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. We encourage you to visit our AmericanEnglish.online website via our link in the description section below for additional articles, lessons, and weekly podcasts we offer, all available on our website and major streaming platforms. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest episodes on a regular basis. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.